Equip and unequip your NFTs at Singular.app. Go to your NFT page and click on Inventory. The NFTs with a colorful frame are the ones that are equipped. Click on one and select Unequip. You can do this with as many as you want before saving. Now, select any NFT that you wish to equip. Just click on it and then click the Equip button. Equip as you wish before saving. You will see in real time the look of your main NFT changing. When you are satisfied with the outcome, click on the Save button. Confirm the transaction on your wallet, and that's it. Check our Learning Hub at Singular.app for additional instructions.